Hello students, today we are going to start second chapter, the sun, the moon and the earth. Students, you have studied about our solar system previously. 8 planets including the earth, satellite, asteroid, dwarf planet, comet, meteoroid, sun. The sun. The sun is the head of the solar system. It is made up of extremely hot gases. It is a bright star. All the members of the solar system get heat and light from the sun. The energy of the sunlight supports almost all life on the earth. The sun warms our seas, steams our atmosphere, generates our weather patterns and gives energy to the growing green plants and provides oxygen for life. The earth. The earth is the third planet from the sun. The motion of the earth. The earth spins around its own axis. This spinning movement is called Earth's rotation. This is the axial motion. At the same time, the earth revolves around the sun on its elliptical orbit. This is the orbital motion of the earth. To complete one rotation around its axis, earth takes almost 24 hours. To complete one revolution around the sun, earth takes almost 365.25 days or 1 year. The moon's motion. Like the earth, the moon also has axial and orbital motions. The moon, while rotating around itself, revolves around the earth. This is the moon. This is the earth. And this is the sun. So while rotating around itself, moon revolves around the earth. And the earth revolves around the sun. This is earth revolves around the sun on its elliptical orbit. As a result, though the moon does not revolve around the sun, moon does not revolve around the sun independently. Indirectly, it makes a revolution around the sun. Indirectly, it makes a revolution around the sun. The time it takes to make one revolution around the earth and one rotation around itself is the same. That is why we constantly see one and the same side of the moon. Further, I will give explanation about this. Now, observe the figure number 2.1. Moon's positions. This is the earth, this is the moon, and this is the moon's orbit around the earth. It is elliptical. The moon's orbit of the revolution is also elliptical as that of the earth. Look at this figure. Earth's elliptical orbit. Earth's elliptical orbit around the sun. Earth revolves on this orbit around the Sun. This orbit also is elliptical. Hence, the distance of the Moon from the Earth is not the same everywhere along its orbit while revolving. You can see in this figure, the distance from the Earth is not same everywhere. Here you can see Moon is very closest, and here gives far away distance. When it is the closest to the Earth, it is said to be in a perigee. When it is the closest to the Earth, it is said to be in perigee. And when it is at the furthest from the Earth, is called apogee. Apogee.